Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over some test taking strategies that hopefully will help you when taking a multiple choice test like the Biology EOC or the AP Biology exam at the end of the year. Now these are just general strategies that hopefully will help you a little bit with multiple choice test taking. Test tip number 1. Read the question and all answer choices before marking anything. Sometimes there could be a string of a few good answers, but one is better than the other. So don't just choose the answer if you think you see one that sounds correct. Make sure you read through all the answer choices before you go on and select it as your answer. Test tip number 2. Do not change your answers unless you are very uncertain about your first answer choice. There's actually been studies that show your gut answer, if you are guessing, is more likely to be correct than if you go back and correct it if you are guessing. Now this is if you can't remember any helpful knowledge that'll help you answer the question. So if you truly are guessing, go with your first gut choice. Do not go back and change it just because you want to guess a different type of guess. Test tip number 3. Try to answer every question. Make the most intelligent guess you can. So both the Biology EOC and the AP Biology exam will not penalize you for answering all the questions. So please answer every question even if you're not sure, and make the most intelligent guess that you could possibly make even if you are not 100% sure on how to answer that question. Test tip number 4. After you've been through all of the questions once, go back and find questions that you have some knowledge about and eliminate choices that you know are incorrect. So even if you can just eliminate one answer choice, you actually increase your chances of guessing correctly. If you can eliminate 2 answer choices out of 4, then you have a 50-50 chance of getting it right on a guess with the 2 remaining answers. So the more that you can get rid of as far as wrong answers go, the higher your chances are for getting the question correct. Test tip number 5. If you finish early, check to make sure you have answered all the questions. This is good. If you skip one, you could totally throw off your score. For the Biology EOC, most of you will take this on a computer, so you won't really have to go back and worry about bubbling incorrectly. But for the AP Biology exam, you do want to make sure that each of your answers actually correlates to what you wanted to answer. So please make sure you don't make any mistakes when you're filling out those answer choices. Test tip number 6. Find keywords or phrases in the question that will help you choose the correct answer. So for example, if you see the question includes something about the mitochondria, be thinking already before you read the answer choices about things like cellular respiration, ATP, cells energy, and hopefully that'll help you lead you in the right direction. If you can remember certain things about the topics that the question is referring to, hopefully that'll help you help lead you to the correct answer. Test tip number 7. Allow time at the end to check for carelessness. Read closely. A small word like not can make a huge difference in meaning. So go back and make sure there isn't a question that says, which of the following is not a good hypothesis for the experiment described? Something like except or not or without, all of those can trip you up. So be sure you read it carefully. Test tip number 8. Breathe. No, seriously. Oxygen provides energy to your cells. If you find yourself stressed, tired, or confused, look away from the page, close your eyes, and breathe a few good breaths. Don't take a nap, but take a short break and remember that oxygen is providing your cells with an essential ingredient for the process of cellular respiration, which will lead your cells to make more ATP energy, and maybe that'll help you answer a question. It'll also help you relax. So make sure you breathe throughout the test, and good luck.